Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the common problem with the sliding door for the closets. As you can see, most of the closet doors come out from the railing there, the track railing, and it's going to be loose like this. So the problem is from the two pieces. One of them, two of them are at the bottom and other ones at the top. Okay. Okay, you see this piece, the plastic piece has to be inside the track here, the railing. So it came out, so I have to, it moves up and down, up and down. So I leave it here, I hold it here, and with the something like screwdriver or something, I have to push it down. I need something else with this. Okay, it's inside now, and for same for the other side here. The plastic part goes up and down. I hold it here in the track. Yeah. Good. Now the bottom part is in the track, in the railing. Now I have to adjust this screw that it helps the door goes up, and then you're gonna be safe on the bottom part. So with a screwdriver I pull it up as much as I want. Go outside, please. Okay, you see, go back. You see, it's not adjust. See, that side is up, other side is down. So you just stay here. With that top screw, I can adjust it. You see, it's coming down. So I have to level it with the other side. Go a little bit up. So I adjust this side as well. See outside, if it's level, it's not, yeah? Just this part is up.
Yes,
So
a little.
a little bit up.
A little.
Now what about? Good.
Yes, I think.
Okay. Now it's good. If you pull up the door too much, your door doesn't move perfectly and smoothly. So I think the other part is too much up. I have to adjust it. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please ask if you have any question about the home improvement. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share our videos. Thank you.
Bye.